Tiny Tinkles Little Musician Series presents Where is Gordy Goat? Ma. Finding the note G. Gordy Goat and Frankie Frog love to play at the pond. Ribbit. Ma. Frankie loves to hop and Gordy Goat loves to splash.
Gordy Goat loves to splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Ma. Let's find Gordy Goat's favorite note. 1, 2, 3. Can you find Gordy Goat's favorite note? Here he is, right beside his best friend Frankie Frog. Ribbit, ma. He's just after the first black key in the group of the 3 black keys.
Gordy Goat loves to splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Ma. Oh, look, it's Mr. Repeat. Let's try again.
Gordy Goat loves to splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Ma. Let's try it with our right hand.
Gordy Goat loves to splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Ma. That was amazing! Now let's try it with our left hand.
Gordy Goat loves to splash. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Ma. That was amazing! More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com.